Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Chipotle bean recipe from scratch using dry beans. You can also do this recipe using canned beans. Okay, let's jump right in. First, you'll start off with 2 cups of your black beans. Please make sure to check them for any rocks or debris that shouldn't be in there and toss it aside. Now it is time to rinse your beans. Now it's time to fill with water. You can use 12 cups or 3 liters. I like to add chicken bouillon to my water. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Turn your pressure cooker on high and set to 8 minutes. After cooking time is complete, make sure to unplug and let it rest for 10 minutes before releasing the pressure. I like to close this lid piece like this on top just so the steam doesn't go all over my cabinets. Now it is time to drain. If you are using canned beans, rinse them and start from here. Now you'll get a large or medium-sized pot, heat it up and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 chopped onions, and you will want to saute these on medium heat until translucent. Next, you'll take 6 cloves of garlic and chop them and add them into the onion mixture. After 30 seconds, it's time to add your beans. You'll need a can of chili peppers and adobo sauce. Pull out 2 peppers and chop them finely and add them to your beans, along with 2 tablespoons of the sauce from the can. Add 4 cups of water or broth. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Make sure you have enough liquid covering your beans. Time to bring to a simmer. Reduce the heat, leave uncovered, and cook till the beans are tender. When the beans are tender, add salt and pepper to taste, and you're done. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day.